Hello, fellow humanoids. This is just a restart of my stream. I had issues with my sound. The 0 people watching my stream had problems with had no problems with the audio. It was on my side, and exactly the same map. So, that's a reserve. We're going to take. Let's take this one.
Into your vehicle! Thunder! Driver ready! Gunner ready!
I'm going to my body. Oh, my hands are aching from my day job. There's the roundabout again. If we're lucky, we're gonna see them darting across here. And we didn't.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
This is like let's camp and this is so boring. Why is this game style so prevalent now?
Enemy forces have captured the zone. Enemy forces have captured that zone. Hey! 1 o'clock! Range! 450! The enemy is winning. Agility kill!
Yes. When everybody's just waiting. Oh, jeez, man. So. Everybody's kung fu fighting. Ooh.
Tank, 12 o'clock. Range, 600. Target destroyed.
I need that, some of that sweet capture juice.
Allied forces have captured that zone. Forward!
So,
Pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
oh, please give me bombs, huh?
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Roger! Advancing!
That's on the road, man.
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Air 170. Height 1,000 meters. We've been hit.
Damn, what that was a good shot, huh?
The enemy is winning. We must counterattack. Hit! Allied forces have captured a zone. Target destroyed. Attention to the left. We've been hit. Hit! Driver is done.
Yes. Yes. What an excellent game. So, how is it looking? Gunner, targeting, apply, loader, gunner, targeting, apply, loader, gunner, targeting, apply. Excellent, and now we should check our research. A 68. Don't have that. Is this research? No. 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 Computer says no. Okay. No. Yeah, one last battle. Time flies when you're having fun. What's the time actually? Ooh, half 22:37. Too much. Let's take this one.
Driver ready. Gunner ready. Loader ready. Roger
What's that? Why am I having 300 and 500 in ping? What's going on here? 120. It must be an American server. Very bad one even. For King and Country. 195 FPS. And red in ping. I'm totally somewhere else on the map at the moment. I will not hit a shit. I will not hit shit. Ping half a second. Yeah.
Hey, 11 o'clock. Range 500. Target destroyed.
Thing. You and call your mama. Say hello to your mama. We got somebody on the ice.
11 o'clock. Range 550. Aviation on the way. Miss to the left. And mill. Hit.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Hey, 12 o'clock. Range 700. Hey, 12 o'clock. Range 600. Thank you very much. Tank, 11 o'clock. Range 600. Target hit.
I might be dead. Nobody knows.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours. Hey, 12 o'clock. Range 400. Hit. We've been hit.
Yeah, this is gonna be impossible. Pretty much so. What is this? Abomination. Still bad.
Battleground! 1 o'clock! Range! 1200! Target hit! Target destroyed. Aircraft! 10 o'clock! Allied forces have captured the zone.
Not too shabby. Having a ping of 400.
Aviation on the way! Hey! 1 o'clock! Range! 650! Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close. Fire! Hey! 4 o'clock! Range! 750!
Oh yeah, this is yeah, it really rekindles the love for the game.
Need air support!
There's nobody left, huh?
Aviation on the way!
Oh yeah. Oh no shit.
Need air support!
That's what they call a game. That was fun. Actually, very much. I liked it a lot. So, yes. On that note, we will see each other again tomorrow.